Hi guys, welcome back to Gardening with Creations by DX & Co. Tonight I'm out here in the garden and this bed has started to get away from me because I've been working so frantically on some other projects this season. But I wanted to show you a new tool that I got this year for my birthday that I'm very excited about, and I think it very quickly, if it's not already a tool in your arsenal, then it definitely should be one of your favorite tools if you pick one up. Let me show you. Let's get started. The bed I'm actually talking about today is my strawberry bed. You can see the strawberries are already starting to flower. Just fantastic. The strawberries came in so nice this year, the strawberry patch I should say, but you can see I've still got some stuff intermingled, some eggplant there from last year I need to clean up, got some dandelions in there, so it's time to get in here and kind of weed and clean up this bed. It is dipping down to 30 degrees tonight, so it's not quite that time of year that I want to clean up these beds, but unfortunately these are June bearing strawberries. And with the weather up and down, it has definitely been one of those where it's time to start, getting it ready. But this is just, beautiful, the growth that's coming in here. So I wanted to show you the tool I'm talking about today. This is called a Hori Hori knife. It's a Japanese gardening tool. This brand being one of the best one. You can see it there, a Nisaku. I'm not sure I'm saying that right. I'm sure I'm butchering it. But it's got a nice little, belt clip on there, so you can put it on your belt wear it in the garden. And I've been trying to keep mine nice and clean, as sad as that is for a gardening tool. But look, it's got like measurements right on there. I'm getting a bad glare, I apologize. It's got a serrated edge on there. Try to pick that up on camera. That serrated edge is there for cutting through roots, and it's curved, so it's like a scooping trowel, if you will. And this thing is just fantastic. It's an all-in-one tool. It's your spade, trowel, saw, and measuring all in one. So we're going to use it today to get some weeds out, and I'm going to show you how I use it. And this is probably the best tool I've ever owned by far.
Fatality.
So as I stated before, this is a very multi-functional tool. I used it for even starting all of my seedlings, and now I'm going to use it to dig out this dandelion without digging and pulling at the roots of my strawberry. So I'm just going straight in with it, slowly lifting up like I would if I was going to kind of deroot a plant to repot it. And there you have it. I just pulled this up and I was able to get down to the tough roots of that strawberry plant, or I'm sorry, that dandelion plant. So amazing that I did take off a leaf of the strawberry. That's okay. I didn't actually damage the roots of the actual strawberry plants, so that's a win-win. Which, you know, I needed to thin some strawberries probably today anyways. The strawberries are taking over in front of my greenhouse. They've grown out of the bed into the greenhouse, so just amazing. But so yeah, I wanted to show you guys, you know, it's late at night here, just put the kids to bed, and I'm just trying to clean up my strawberry beds a little bit here. So even like this solid stick, I can cut right through it with this. So that's awesome. That stick was from the eggplant that was there last year. It turned and hardened up over the winter into a solid stick. I got to get that pulled out of there. So a lot of work to go, guys. Just wanted to show you guys this awesome hori knife. I like to call it a Harry Carry knife. It drives my wife nuts. I couldn't remember the name of it when she told me at first. But I just wanted to show you guys that cool tool. If you guys don't yet have one, it is totally worth picking up. I've found great use for it. It's basically replaces every other small tool in your garden, if you will. And it's great. You can prune some trees with it because you can use the saw on the branch. You can, you know, dig your holes for your seeds or your transplants. It is just a fantastic tool. So if you guys don't own one or don't have one, look it up. As I stated, the Ninsaku brand is actually rated #1. You can order these online. I don't have a link. I can try to find a link and put it in the description below for you. Like I said, I got it for my birthday a few months ago, and I've been using it ever since. I've used it for every project that you guys have seen, and just wanted to share that with you guys. I hope you guys like this video. Go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not already, and hit that notification bell. If you have one of these knives and you use it for your gardening, comment below. Let me know how you like it. Or if you get one, let me know what you think of it. Just throw a comment down below and let me know what you guys think. And love to hear some feedback or thoughts on it. As always, guys, I appreciate you watching. I hope you guys are staying safe and enjoying your gardens.